Hello students, today we will learn the next illustration number 10 relating to the taxable supply calculation. Taxable supply or transaction value. See here, calculate the IGST payable of a dealer in Chennai from the following data. So here we have to compute the IGST payables. I'll read out the question. See the question. Supply to a local dealer in Salem rupees 5,60,000, transferred to branch in Anantapuram rupees 5 lakh. Supply made to a registered dealer in Hyderabad for rupees 1 lakh. Supply made to registered dealer in Bangalore rupees 4 lakh. Export to Australia worth rupees 5 lakh. Supply made to a registered dealer in Pune rupees 3 lakh. Export to Singapore worth rupees 1 lakh. Supply made to a local dealer in Chennai rupees 12 lakh. Supply made to a unit in Hassan special economic zone rupees 40,000. Following are the returns made within 6 months under that. First one, Bangalore dealer returned the goods worth rupees 30,000 and Pune dealer returned goods worth rupees 15,000. Salem and Chennai dealer returned goods worth rupees 40,000 and 30,000 respectively. Australian importer has returned the goods worth rupees 70,000. Assume GST rate is 18%. So with this information we have to compute the IGST payable. So here IGST payable of a Chennai means Tamil Nadu. We have to calculate the IGST payable Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So here they have given there are different supply made to different places. So we have to take only the supply which is made between Tamil Nadu state and other states, because here they asked to calculate the IGST. So we have to take the supply between the state. If there is any supply made within the state of Tamil Nadu, then we should not take for IGST taxable supply calculation or transaction value or taxable turnover calculation. So we will see one by one. So here we have to calculate the IGST payable. We have to calculate the IGST payable of a dealer in Chennai. Chennai means it is in Tamil Nadu. So if there is any supply made between the state Tamil Nadu and other state, then we have to take for the IGST calculation. So we will take one by one. Supply to a local dealer in Salem. So local dealer in Salem is within the state of Tamil Nadu. So we should not take this supply because we have to calculate the IGST payable. So Salem is in Tamil Nadu. So if they ask to calculate CGST and SGST, then we have to take this for IGST calculation. The supply which is made to Salem, it is a within the state supply. We should not take for IGST turnover calculation. Next, transfer to branch in Anantapura. So Anantapura branch. So Anantapura is placed in Andhra Pradesh. It is in Andhra Pradesh. So transfer between Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh we can take for IGST calculation. So this 5 lakh we have to take for the IGST supply calculation, taxable supply. Next, supply made to a registered dealer in Hyderabad. So supply made to a registered dealer in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is in Telangana. So we have to take for the IGST taxable supply calculation, because Tamil Nadu and Telangana two different states, so we have to take this value also. Then supply made to a registered dealer in Bangalore. So Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka two different states. So this 4 lakh also we have to take for the IGST turnover or taxable supply calculation. Then export to Australia. So export to Australia we have to take under IGST, but it is zero rated. So we should not take the amount. So here we should not take the amount. It is zero rated. Then you can write export to Australia under IGST, but zero rated it is. Or else you can write note for this export to Australia is zero rated. Anyone you can opt. Then supply made to a registered dealer in Pune, Maharashtra. So then Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra is two different states. So 3 lakh value we have to take for the taxable supply calculation. Then export to Singapore. So this also amount we should not take. It is zero rated. Export it is zero rated. Then supply made to a local dealer in Chennai. So Tamil Nadu within the state, this supply is made within the state Tamil Nadu. So 12 lakh rupees we should not take because it is a within state supply. We have to take only the between state supply for IGST calculation. Then supply made to unit in Hassan special economic zone. So in the case of special economic zone, it is treated as export, and it is zero rated. So when it is treated as export, it is zero rated, so we should not take the amount. We can take under IGST turnover, but we should not take the amount. It is treated as export and zero rated. Next, following are the returns made within the 6 months. So all these returns are made within the 6 months, so we can deduct from the taxable supply. So we will see one by one. Bangalore dealer returned the goods worth rupees 30,000. Pune dealer returned the goods worth rupees 15,000. So Bangalore dealer has returned. So we have supply made to Bangalore. So in that 30,000 value of goods is returned from the Bangalore dealer. So this value we can deduct, returned within 6 months. Then Pune dealer also returned the goods within the 6 months. So 15,000 also we have to deduct. Bangalore is a different state, Pune also different state. Then Salem and Chennai dealer has returned the goods 40,000 and 30,000 respectively. So this value we should not take. So these two value we should not take, because this is the returns made within the state. Salem and Chennai within the state Tamil Nadu. Because we should not take, because we have not included the supply value of Salem and Chennai. We have not added these 12 lakh and 5,60,000 while calculating the taxable supply. So when we have not included, so we should not even deduct the value. The value we should not deduct here, because this is a supply made. This is a return. Goods returns is relating to the supply made within the state. So both two amount also we should not deduct from a taxable supply. Only these two amount we have to deduct, because it is a Bangalore outside Tamil Nadu, Pune also outside Tamil Nadu. So these two amount we have included. Bangalore we have added, then Pune also we have added to the taxable turnover. Next, Australian importer has returned the goods worth rupees 70,000. So there is a export to Australia 5 lakh. So now Australian importer, so the one who imported from Tamil Nadu, so India, so in Tamil Nadu, India, so has returned the goods worth 70,000. So here this also we should not deduct. So this 70,000 also we should not deduct, because while calculating the total taxable supply for IGST calculation, we have not included this 5 lakh amount. So when we have not added 5 lakh amount for the supply, so even the goods returned also we should not include. It should not be deducted. Understood? So assume GST rate is 18%. So while calculating IGST, GST rate will be 18%. So now we'll work out the solution. Write the heading: computation of taxable turnover under IGST. You can write taxable turnover, taxable supply, or transaction value. Computation of transaction value. You can write any point. So here we have to calculate IGST. So we need taxable turnover or taxable turnover or taxable supply relating to IGST, means between two state supply. So particulars and one amount column. So under that we have to take one by one. First one is supply to a local dealer in Salem. So this one we should not take. Next, transfer to branch in Anantapura. So take transfer to branch in Anantapura. Transfer to branch in Anantapura. So it is in Andhra Pradesh. So 5 lakh we have to take. So similarly take for all. Next one also, supply made to registered dealer Hyderabad, we have to take 1 lakh. Under second point it is. Next third one is supply made to a registered dealer in Bangalore. So this value also we have to take. Then export to Australia. So you can take export to Australia. Here we have to take 0 rated. Then supply made to a registered dealer in Pune, 3 lakh we have to take. Then export to Singapore, 1 lakh, it is 0 rated, right? Export to Singapore, we should not take the amount. So this 1 lakh amount we should not take. Put a cross mark here. It is 0 rated. Then supply made to a local dealer in Chennai. So this one also we should not take. This also you should not take. So total value is 5 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 3 lakh is a total. Next we have to deduct the exclusions. Under that goods returned. So goods returned Bangalore dealer goods returned 30,000 we have to deduct. Pune dealer returned the goods 15,000 we have to deduct. Only two deductions. So after that we will get the final answer is equal. So the value of taxable supply is equal to 12,55,000. So calculate here and 12,55,000. After that write note. Supply made to a local dealer in Salem, comma, supply made to Chennai is a supply made within the state Tamil Nadu, so it is not applicable for IGST calculation. Then second note, export to Australia and Singapore is zero rated, that you can take or not, and supply made to unit of Hassan special says is treated as export, zero rated. Then the next important note is goods returned with the next right goods returned within the state is not taken here, is not taken for IGST calculation, because goods supplied within the state is not taken while calculating the taxable supply. So supply made within the state and as well as the goods returned within the state should be taken for the CGST and SGST calculation and not for the IGST calculation. So on the final answer we have to calculate the IGST, that is the transaction value into 18% we have to calculate. So that's it.